solo ad vendors. Now, we're going to get leads, right? You can start doing organic marketing, but organic takes a while because you got to build up your following. You got to build up your trust. You got to build up your brand, all those kind of things, right? To get the results that you're looking for. However, while you're doing that, shouldn't you be creating your own story with your own results? Fastest way to start buying solo ads from vendors that actually are good. Well, how do you know? You have to understand that skill set as well.
Right.
Not every vendor is going to be great. So you have to test different vendors out to find out what vendors work great with your offer. Okay. And once you know what works great with your offer, you can build a Rolodex and keep repeating that process and start building some really good, high quality leads on your list, which is very important. And then we can segment that list. We could communicate with them.
Yes.
Right. So understand these are things that are necessary that you really need in your business. Now, there's other ways of advertising. You can do Google AdWords, you can do Facebook and stuff like that. But here's the secret, guys. When you're getting started, all right, you don't have time to learn an ad platform. What you can do with solo ads instantly is give a link to a vendor and you'll start having leads literally less than 24 to 48 hours. That's how fast, and sometimes sooner. And what happens is you can share the results of what's coming into your business. You can see like leads coming in, right? You can share, hey, look, guys, I got this many leads coming in, right? And you start broadcasting, look, I got this many opens. This is my open rate. You're being transparent. That's what we did in the very beginning. And we built so much trust. We built, so many new people just started following us for that reason alone. And we were sharing our journey as we were growing our business.
Yeah, it's not typically black and white, right, Rich? When people just get involved with affiliate marketing, they can just share their link and then expect to become rich overnight. It doesn't work that way. Most of the top earners in this industry are going to tell you, you got to do the work. You got to get behind the wheels and you got to take control of your own business. And that's why they recommend all those other services for you, because they want you to take control of your own business, not just rely on the system.
Right. But the key is here, and I want to get to this, is that the key that I'm getting to is that while you're getting the results with solo ads quickly, you want to share a story. You want to start beginning your own story.
Yes.
You got to start get results. What are results? Results are your first clicks, your first opens, right? Your first sale. And how do you do that? Well, if you don't do what we're telling you to do, you'll never get to that point to start developing your own story. And your story begins with your results.
Right on.
Okay, that's how trust is built. Agreed. That's how people go, hey, this person is doing something. Hey, this person's getting results. I want to follow this person. It's kind of common sense. But people really miss this point.